My name is Esther Mbaka. I am a HR by profession. I work in the NGO sector, mainly dealing with humanitarian aspects. As a HR, and with the new developments in the industry, there is a high demand to provide high quality reports. And it was good by sheer chance that I came to learn about Learnly and what Learnly is offering in terms of data analytics in HR. And that prompted me to want to know more about what Learnly is offering. And yeah, it was a nice adventure. Application for Power BI was a very good discovery through the journey of the course, because I came to learn that the Power BI assists with both cleaning the data as well as coming up with visuals and adequate visual displays that you can incorporate in your reporting. And it was a good experience for me in terms of knowing how better to repackage my information in my reports. I liked the fact that the lecturers were teaching us the various aspects around HR analytics were very well informed on their subject of discussion, and the extra effort that they went through to make sure that you not only understood the concept in class, but also did a dry run on some of the reports that we normally have to run on a day-to-day basis using our own data sets. That was very helpful. HR analytics is an eye-opener for my career. It's a new gate pass to many new doors for me, and I believe I'm going to be a great HR analyst in the future, and also it will help me in my career and also in the organizations I work in. HR analytics is a must for any HR, especially if you want to grow up in the ladder for HR and get to being a business partner. You really need to get your game together, and HR analytics is a key. I would highly recommend the HR analytics class offered by Learnly to anyone.